morning everybody. We have our friend T here from Te Manawataki, and she has got a book that she's going to read to us.
Yep. We are
Kia ora koutou.
Right, you ready? Find a nice comfortable spot. Okay.
So our book today is called E Aroha Nau Ki A Koe. I love you.
Thank you.
That's right. I love you, sweetheart. E aroha nau ki a koe e te tau. Daddy loves you, babe. E aroha na a papa ki a koe e ko. Mummy loves you. E aroha na mama ki a koe. Would you like a cuddle, my beautiful baby? E pirangi ana koe ki te awhiawhi e taku pepe a tāhua. Come here. Haere mai. Keep close. Whakapiri mai. I love you, Mila. Kei te aroha au ki a koe e Mila.
Nice. Can we have one more look at the book? Oh. Such a beautiful book. And this book is a parent speaking to their child, isn't it?
Yes, I tika.
So some beautiful sentences you can use towards your children.
Yay.
Okay.
Yes. But what do you call it? It's about giving parents more loving terms of endearment when they're speaking with their children instead of the old hey.
Yeah. Plenty of those.
Yeah. We've got plenty of those, and maybe that's for another time.
Yeah. But I love that
awesome.
this is something, and this is what we're going to base this week on.
Hey.
It's going to be lots of aroha towards our tamariki, and in return. Yeah.
Beautiful.
Awesome. So keep a lookout for our next few videos where we're going to take a phrase out of here and teach you a bit more about it. Alright, till then, ka kite.
E konara.